Hey guys, today I would be telling you that how you can create a simple workflow with only the welcome screen, the camera screen and the ending screen. So basically all the other screens like filters, stickers and layouts would be gone and there would be a simple workflow. So let's get started with it. First of all, you have to open the Triple Arcade Photobooth app and then head over to this settings icon right at the right top corner, and let's click on it and click on login, and you have to click on open admin dashboard. Here you have to click on screen logic right under the display tab, and here you have to uncheck all the screens which are not required by you. So for now I'll uncheck all the other screens without welcome, camera and final. So cuts, payments, filters, frames and stickers is now unchecked, and let's click on save configuration. Alright, our configuration is saved, and let's click on OK. Click on close admin. Let's now click on reset to incorporate these changes to our Photobooth app. And yeah, let's click on start photo session now. As you can see that directly the camera screen is coming, not the layout screen. Let's click on start taking photos now. So as you can see that the timer has now started.
Say cheese!
Alright, so photo has been clicked. Now let's click on continue and we should be on the ending screen. Yeah, totally. So that was it for today's tutorial and I'll see you in the next one.